Hi guys, this is going to be mostly the place where I'm going to be recording now, but I just wanted to tell you that I got this new sink that it's downstairs, so I can't go because my bedroom's upstairs and I don't want to walk that far down. But, yeah, we're talking about our kitchen, and well, my faucet in my kitchen, it's a mount so you can save money, and there's no handles actually, it's motion activated, I guess. You put your hand under it, comes out, then after like 5 seconds you have to get your hand washed, whatever, and then soap comes out of it, and then you have to like wash it, and then come down, whatever. I don't know, but I don't use it. It's for my parents. Well, my mom and my mom's boyfriend. But sometimes it's like awkward, but the stupid video. Oh yeah. Alright, now that's for a different video. Why don't you guys subscribe and comment down below what video you want me to do next. See ya, thanks for watching this very, very stupid video.